Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I did this easy and effective weed barrier for my trees. I decided to do this because I was not able to cut the grass around the trees because I don't want to damage tree bark and grass was looking terrible. I am also doing different method instead of standard commercial tree bark because I have done standard method, and here as you can see after winter it is looking really terrible. Strong wind blown away most of the bark and here is the result. For this build I am using old dirty wooden boards which I will otherwise burn in my fireplace. There is no point to use new wooden boards, so at least I found use for these old boards. At first I tried the length of the boards, how it will look, and then I cutted the boards on the same length. Of course my daughter checked type and size of the screws and told me how to properly do the job. I used small screw diameters so end of the boards will not crack, and after approval from my daughter I screwed two corners with one screw. I left one corner open so I could place it around the tree and dig out layer with grass around the wooden boards. I carefully removed grass with soil so I was few centimeters under the level of the soil. I tried not to damage any roots of the tree, but I tried to remove as much grass as possible. After that, as you can see here, I inserted my triangle shape and screw all the corners. Screws don't need to be strong because in the end soil will hold the boards from the one side and wooden pieces from the other side, so boards will be fixed this way as well. Next step was preparing geotextile, which is weed barrier fabric, and cover the area so new grass will not grow there. By the way, you can create any shape you like. Triangle, square, hexagon, it's definitely up to you. After inserting geotextile, I was cutting small squares from another old dirty wooden boards. I cutted these small squares with axe, as you can see here, so I created small pieces of wood. I think that it is much better than commercial tree bark because it is heavier than bark, so wind will not blow it away, and these wood pieces will definitely last much longer. There is also thing that I used old wooden boards, so it is basically great material for free. And after some time all pieces will look the same, so it will be looking really great. In the end, as you can see here, I just put some soil back around the boards and this way it's fixed on the place. I did the same way another tree and basically all the trees around my garden. And this is how it looks, and you can see comparison before and after. So what do you think about that? You can leave me some comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider to supporting my channel by subscribing or just simply hit the like button. Thank you again and have a nice day.